How to fix ATT.net email not working with Outlook. 1. Make sure that your Outlook account is properly configured. Here are the steps to configure an Outlook account. 1. Open Outlook and go to File Add Account. 2. Choose the account type you want to connect, Exchange, IMAP, POP, Gmail, etc. 3. Enter your email address and click Connect. 4. Enter the password for your email account when prompted. Click Next. 5. For Exchange/Office 365 accounts, enter the Exchange server name provided by your admin. Check the box to configure Auto Discover. 6. For IMAP/POP, enter the incoming and outgoing server names provided by your email host. 7. Configure the port numbers and encryption methods if custom settings are needed. 8. You may be prompted to enter a second authentication factor or app password for your email account. 9. Choose your synchronization settings, number of past emails to sync, frequency, folder sync preferences. 10. Click Finish. Outlook will now sync your account. Check for an Auto Discover test in account settings to automatically populate Exchange server settings. Contact your email provider for manual server names and settings if needed. 2. Check your antivirus settings, run ATT.net email in Windows Clean Boot or run it after you disable your antivirus software. 3. Use IMAP instead of POP account. 4. Remove your email profile. 5. Email client. 6. Start Outlook in safe mode, Outlook/safe. 7. Switch to Google DNS.